I'm Ben Stout with Bastech Incorporated. We were started in 1994 as an additive manufacturing service bureau. We've grown quite a bit since then into having full additive capabilities in plastics and metals, as well as full CNC finishing and tooling work and such. Last year, as a result of the COVID crisis, we did win a grant from the state of Ohio for reshoring PPE work back to the U.S. And with that, when we were tooling up our program, we did utilize some of those funds to purchase the VM-3, as well as a plastic injection machine to help take this program into higher volume production. We did choose the VM-3 for a couple different reasons. We were looking for productivity, accuracy, and trouble-free operations. Really, with this program and some of the tolerances we were trying to hit, the precision of the VM-3 really worked out well for us. And the productivity, more efficient cutting than we were using before, really was an asset for the operations of it.
We do really good at getting our tolerances close on our additive metal parts, but there's always areas that we have to get tighter and closer. We're machining parts today that we have tolerances of plus or minus half a thousandth. That's really tight tolerance for mold work, but the VM handles that. As far as different materials, we have run a lot of different materials across this VM other than just what we do with additive manufacturing. But the Inconel, we send the Inconel after we print it, it goes out, it gets HIP treated, it gets heat treated, and when it comes back, it's hard and it's Inconel. It's a hard to machine material, but we will machine it on our VM with no problem. We do a lot of laser scanning on contours to measure everything and make sure that everything is where we want it to be, and we find the contouring on the VM-3 to be very good. So we found that one of the other ways to utilize our Haas machine, granted it's a VM, it's kind of designed for the mold industry, but it is designed with high speed, it's designed with high accuracy, and so it's allowing us to be versatile. We'll do a lot of different things in one day. We may be machining a mold in the morning, and we may be doing piece parts in the afternoon. Depending on what we have that we need to get running, it is a very versatile machine. So again, the accuracy, the speed, the cooling capabilities are all tying in with our additive to give us a quality precision parts for our customers, whether it is injection molds, wax molds, or piece part production. We can do all of it.
Having the multiple technologies of Bastech between additive and high-end CNC has really turned out to be a benefit for us. There are some programs that are really lean towards additive to take advantage of that. There's other programs we run, especially tooling type applications, that CNC technology, especially with the accuracy and the fine contouring we can do on a VM-3, really work out well. So having both of those technologies together and kind of married together is just a great solution for a lot of our customer programs.